Chase is a trader today. Let's go into the other boat. Bonnie, you want to say anything nice about your opponent tonight?
Well, I wish you the best of luck. You know, it's every man for yourself out here tonight. I would like my opponent to pray for me. It's going to be hard fishing with the devil.
I know it.
What are you fishing
That's
with
him.
tonight, Brian?
I'll be throwing a 6 foot, no, 7 foot, 4 to 6 foot bed. Nice Pro Shops Extreme, 8 casting reel.
What kind of bait do you use? That's what
He's
I
using
thought.
Chase's bait.
I think that's what I'll use.
I want everybody to see my beautiful fish. Look at that. Oh yeah. Fish number 1 for the night for me. But it's not gonna be the last, I promise you. How many did you end up catching the other night, Tom?
I caught 13. It was kind of a slow night, but I was still able to beat 13 out.
Uh-huh.
I had to adjust the wind, you know, it's kind of blowing hard on that one spot. I ran out of what I was catching them on, but I adjusted quickly and got back on them.
When did you catch, Dad?
I can't conceal information.
Mom?
You're not the mafia, but you can't conceal.
Brian beat me at 13, but it was close.
Chase?
There's in 2 different boats.
How many did you catch?
You're not telling that.
Look, they're playing. How many did you catch the other night?
13.
Are you telling a lie?
3 ounce bluegill.
I was on them boat, you counted them, didn't you? We caught 15 total.
It was that line.
Well, that answers that question for those of you who can add. I only caught 3.
It's dark.
It's dark. It's dark.
Hey, it's time to line them up.
Oh yeah, it's almost dark. It's dark already. Almost. Maybe like 9 or
It's time to line this boat.
No,
Time to line them up.
it's dark already.
Literally, buddy.
Dark, man.
I can't
It's
help it.
dark.
What?
We shoot fireworks.
Right down the road it does.
We are?
You may not know. You just may not know.
Ben?
Thinking about taking the
Yes,
lighting man off.
we're gonna shoot fireworks. I don't know. Thanks, Colorado.
What are you doing, Whitney?
Fix my line up.
Videoing me.
I'm videoing your text. Your hand. Neighbors think that they've got better fireworks than we do. I don't think so.
Oh, that's a long way down.
What did you say, Ben? What did you say, Ben?
He said there's a long way down.
Oh, really?
Why would a cat jump off of far away from up?
Oh, I know what he's doing.
Cat's messing with my fireworks.
Of course he is. Of course he is. He was some.
Oh, there goes one.
Dude.
No, I think we can beat that.
Yes, we can.
Think we can beat that, Brian?
Now I know what to.
Yeah, we can beat that one.
Steve, you think we can beat that?
Absolutely.
Ow.
That's just your average. We got injured.
Dustin, we sure can beat that just one little thing.
One little thing.
That's little. You want me to pick this
Cat's
up?
still on my firework.
I bet
Go ahead.
he does. I bet he'll
I
he'll
love
catch 'em
fireworks.
no
It's
which
my
way
favorite
they
thing. Here. There ain't no good ones out here, but we have some. Of course we do. Bye-bye.
Believe it or not,
Now let my own.
we brought them on
Who's the big one first?
the lawnmower.
Sparkler.
Oh, give me one.
Dad,
Give me one.
why? Why?
Here, I'm gonna light them and hand them to everybody.
Sarah, sparklers. Sarah, come get your
There's the
sparkler.
wind.
Sparklers.
Ain't that something? I'd never get one.
Yep. You might be a redneck if you pull your fireworks around on a lawnmower and a trailer.
You see that? Dad?
You want one? You don't like them?
It's already going. Yeah. Hey, Dad.
You won't hurt you.
Yeah, Ben, it won't hurt you.
Go up to the finger like
That's
that.
done.
As long as nobody.
That was short.
That was short. He trusted me with a lighter. Hey, Josh.
This is me. I'll be over here catching the building on fire for everybody.
Building on fire.
Yes, it'll be the best one.
Probably can't see him over there, but we have a plan. I think that's good. Shirt looks great. Like I can see it. Dad? Is Chase ready? Oh! That little girl? Chase still ain't ready.
When are we going again?
Yeah. Can you believe it? Ah. Yeah. Y'all ready? Ready?
You better get your house in order before the final trumpet sounds. 'Cause it's a one-time, only one-way trip, so you